Okay, now yeah, I'm going in, no time to play. I got a dream I wanna chase. I stack the money.
So I just wake up in the morning. Right now it's actually already 12:57. I actually wake up around 12:15 or something. The reason why I kind of like wake up so late every day right now, first of all, because the quarantine time, I just don't have to worry about what time do I wake up. And the second is, I realize for me, every night, like when there is late at night, I kind of do more work. So I usually sleep at about 2 a.m., 3 a.m., keep working until 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. Then after that, I kind of just, go to sleep after. This vlog, first, I'm gonna try to clean up this room right here. I'm gonna clean up today. If you guys don't know what's going on, all this crap down here. That table needs to clean up, and I need to kind of reroute my light. Usually I use this light. That's my only light, kind of like a warm light, and it's kind of strong. It's kind of really slash, and the outer room become like this kind of like warm and kind of dark. That's the only light that works. The one up here, it doesn't work. When I shut off the window or at night, whereas I'm usually filming, even right now, the lighting doesn't look really good. Let me switch a position right here. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna clean the room. I'm gonna switch the camera to timeout mode, and yeah.
But they ain't nothing like what's in the distance. They used to blow me off like real cool. Now they all trying to get a percentage. I said it, I meant it, I'm keeping it real. I was younger pretending, I grew, now I built. I just go with the motion and see how I felt. I just go with the motion, still keeping it chill. Now yeah, I'm going in, no time to play. I got a dream I wanna chase. I stack the money in a day.
This is the switch pod. I've been using quite a while now. There is one issue with it when I'm using it is, so whenever I go like this, it just pop up itself. For example, when I shot a B-roll, I turn the camera while the switch pod is attached, and when I turn it, it just pop up. Immediately make me look at the switch pod, so it's just gonna ruin the shot. So I kind of like search it up on YouTube, and I see there is this kind of like a tutorial for how can you like fix this issue. Is the magnet and super glue. And when I just got this magnet, I see there is a warning on here. It says do not put the straw magnet to the finger. Let me just see. So now if I go like this or the opposite side, it's not gonna make it that easy to kind of like do what I did before. If you guys can see it, inside my fingernails, it's all glued up. That was bad. That was really bad. Alright guys, now is kind of like my ideal best lighting for vlogging. You see a couple lights. Here's one, middle light, that one, a little bit pretty colorful actually, and also it's not completely dark outside. It's kind of like almost dark, but still have a little bit of light in here, so it gave me this kind of like, also it's kind of like a light source. So this is my ideal lighting for whenever I come in this room. I kind of want this type of lighting, but that's not always the case. So here's a dinner I eat, some dumplings, and by the way, I'm watching La La Land. Oh, this movie is like, when I just listened to it, I think it's nominated for Academy Award for the best cinematography. And when I watched the trailer, I was like, okay, it's like a music movie. This is not for me. I don't really like it. I watched the trailer. I have no idea what I'm watching. I don't really like it. Just super boring, quarantine. And so I just basically, okay, let me just buy the movie. It's like $3.99 on YouTube for 72 hours. Then I got it. I just watch it. I also don't like the star. I don't know what the story is talking about. Then after I keep watching it, I love the movie. So this is actually the second time I watch it. I loved it. I understand why it's a nominee for best cinematography, because the way it tells the story, the way it just fade in the story, it just so creative. I'm gonna watch it again.
I got places to be, I can stay in one place. So since like 16, I've been all on my own too. I had to go and change it up, cause I was getting tired of my old views. I'm just going OT till they fucking know me, till they put my city on a map.
So I'm gonna bring this Insta360 Go and riding the BoostedBoard with me. Actually, I haven't been go out for a pretty long time, been about a week now. So today I'm actually gonna use this Insta360 Go and record a couple of footage. I might also bring this big camera, but I don't, just kind of like for some pictures.
I'm going in, no time to play. I got a dream I wanna chase. case I stack the money in a bay. Ain't that got something I gotta say? I kick my feet up out the bay.
Alright guys, so I don't know how that image actually turns out. This is actually the first time I'm actually recording using the Insta360 Go, but it might also not be good. This camera is so heavy right now, I'm not used to it. I put on the battery grip and it's just being insanely heavy. I can't really see the exposure right now, pretty messed up because pretty harsh light and I can't see the screen, so I have to rely on that auto exposure. Look at the balloon back there. Isn't that cool? How this actually looks. Audio probably gonna sound really crappy right now. I'm yelling at the camera, just make sure you guys can hear me, but this is probably really bad right here. Audio's test, I guess. Is this feel like I'm going really fast because it's super wide angle.
You know I can paint the world, sitting there in black and gold. You the perfect chemical, I gotta test, I gotta know. You know I'm a criminal, but I could take your heart and go. You the perfect chemical, I gotta test, I gotta let me.
Oh my god. It's so cold outside, it's so cold. I swear to god, it's so freaking cold. So warm in here, but so now we're basically gonna go back, you know. This place, this is a park I know, I kind of like always know, but the only different this time is this is actually the first time I've been here after the coronavirus, which is surprisingly there are not much people here, so basically I can just constantly actually go out to this park because there's literally like no people at all almost. I know it's starting getting a little bit more people because right now it's like afternoon, everybody just came out, but it's a lot less people. So we're basically done here and we're gonna go back right now.
You know I'm a criminal, but I could take your heart and go. You the perfect chemical, I gotta test, I gotta let me.